justice movement. Justice movement is about what? Listen to the story carefully. It actually happens from 1917, 15 story. That is during the World War in the time period. In the year 1917, sir, Madras presidency was announced. So there is an opportunity for what? Both education and employments. And that's how the natives should be given importance in the employment opportunities. And students has led a movement. This is what you call 1917. A South Indian Liberal Federation, popularly known as Justice Party, was started by T.M. Nair, C.N. Muralidhar, Tyagaraja Shettiar. So this actually started with as an education movement, or we can say employment movement. After World War, what happened, sir? There was a destruction happened. Jobs were lost. Employment opportunities were lost. That's why 1917, in the same era, Russian Revolution triggered. Remember? So Russian Revolution put a pressure on the worker rights, education rights, also certain women rights and child rights. That has a significance in the same period. Now this movement actually initially continued with the Congress. Congress will support the cause. But slowly, Periyar, whom we are going to call now, born in Erode, district of Madras, he took an advantage of it. So he joined initially with the Congress for a while. And later in 1924, he got separated from the Congress and giving a call that entire Congress is a Brahmin domination. And he started making a call, no God, no caste, no Congress, no Gandhi, nothing. So no. Clear about it? It was in 1930s, if I'm not wrong, he raised a voice against liquor. The too much liquor sale, Iraq movement you call. Women gave him a title Periyar. Periyar meaning? Periyar meaning? Periyar. Like Sardar you say, right? Periyar, the learned one, the leader. 1924, E.V. Ramaswamy Nayakar, popular known as Periyar, elderly person, started self-respect movement. In 1937, Periyar renamed the party as what? Justice Party. Why 1937? You'll get the answer in the coming class. But remember, 36, 37 general election is happening. So now he want to contest this reform body into a political clout. Are we clear about it? Justice Party again, that is a challenging part happened later. 37, Periyar renamed Justice Party as a Dravida Kalagam. Journals in Tamil, that is called Kudiyarasu, Viduthalai, Ekturaipu. After independence in 1949, one of the stalwart in the Justice Party, C. Anadorai, by the way, got separated and formed the DMK party. DMK. It was in 1972 it formed what? All India Anna DMK. You might know the story about how MGR going to support. And after Jayalalitha passed away, again that party also got split into two. In this way, for every 30 years, if you observe carefully, 30, 40 years by there is a split in their thought process. What is their major interest? Absolutely anti-Brahmin society has to be established. That's why you'll be seeing a movement called a Dravida movement. Why? When the Aryan movement becomes so high, Aryan institutionalizing Brahmanism, he start talking about what? Dravida movement. Clear about it? Dravida movement.